Hi, I'm Nick Montesano. I'm a public relations major and graphic design minor. I'm here in the 3D printing lab in the Cheng library. I made a board game called Pandemic Panic, which is a pandemic-inspired board game where you have quarantine essential pieces and essential workers across the board. Doing this for about 3 years now over my time at William Paterson. This is my 4th year. I became passionate about designing something functional and humorous for people of all ages because I like making an impact in the world. And while I'm not necessarily making like a health impact like what frontline workers did during COVID, I'm trying to do something that kind of makes a humorous impact to give people a positive outlook on life. So definitely my time at William Paterson and using these printers has been helpful, and is one of the reasons why I'm pursuing what I am now. Being able to have this accessible and come in at any time of the day is really helpful. On weekends, during the week, I wasn't always the inspirational creative person I was, and I kind of got inspiration from the professors. So a huge thank you to the professors at William Paterson, especially in the art and communications department, that have helped me come up with these pieces that I have 3D printed and the ideas, because without them, I wouldn't have created the chess set, I wouldn't have created my board game and have access to these 3D printers and some of the ideas that I've created.